Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, I want to talk about Apple's newest product, which is the MacBook Pro. So let's dive right into it. So as always, Apple products get delivered in these fancy boxes. So let's unbox it right away. And if we just open it right here, we see the 14-inch MacBook Pro. I could order the 16-inch, but that was a bit expensive. Besides, I wanted to have a pretty maxed out chip, so I thought just to go for the 14-inch. I had a 16-inch MacBook Pro in the past, but that one was a bit clumsy. Didn't fit in my backpack, and I don't know, I had a hard time bringing it with me. It's not for commute, it's just... It's too big laptop for me. But this one, I hope this one will be right good. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So as you know, we got this most satisfying unbox experience provided by Apple. It never gets old. It feels like Apple products are just made to unbox them and put them aside. But yeah, we got the MacBook Pro. And the first thing that stands out is that notch. I'm not sure if it's visible for you guys. Just show it right there. We see a notch and it looks like it becomes Apple's new iconic brand, that notch. So let's open this package and right away we see the actual MacBook Pro and this thing looks gorgeous. Wow. I'm opening it for the first time, as you see, and I'm just speechless how this thing feels like. It's a bit heavy, but that shouldn't bother because it comes with all these extras. And I'll talk in a minute about what chip is inside this chassis and all of that. So let's first see what's inside the box. Obviously, we get the cable. This time we got the MagSafe cable. And I should say this cable feels way better than the previous cables. Just correct me in the comment section below if I'm mistaken on this one. Because if I take the previous model cable, we see here all kind of knots that just stay there, because eventually in real life you do get the cable in this package, but in real life, yeah, you end up doing this thing with the cable and put it in your bag, and eventually you get those knots that may harm your cable. So be careful with that if you do have this one. If you upgrade to this newest model, you will get a MagSafe cable and a charger as a whole with this, what it feels to me, a very good material. But let's put it aside and see what else comes in the box. Obviously, we got some paperwork with this time black stickers. In previous, I've unboxed a lot of I've unboxed a lot of Apple products and it always was white stickers, and this time we get black stickers, so that's a good thing. Funny how these little perks give you the feeling like you are special or you're unboxing something special, while we all know that these stickers, we don't use them. They end up in this bundle and I never looked to them. So let's put that away. And eventually the 144 watt charger that will charge your MacBook faster than ever. And that's actually it. It's a very big box with the essentials. We know Apple is very minimalistic when it comes to adding stuff to a box, except when it comes to stickers. They know what kind of things they need to do in the box. But let's go and take a deeper look to this beauty here. Let's open the MacBook Pro, and it's even engraved at the back of the MacBook Pro. Right out of the bat, it feels very good. It's a bit heavier, but we all know why, because of the way faster chip and the vents and the battery and all of that stuff. I'll talk about that very soon, but let's focus now on the ports. We have a USB-C port, a headphone jack, obviously the MagSafe charger. On the other side, we have another USB-C port and an SD card slot. Finally, Apple listened to the customer and they added all that of things. And right away, if we open this thing, we get right away that Apple logo. So let me put this box aside. It's a bit annoying to have it right there. I had many MacBooks in the past and I can say that this one is the best one. Right away, we get to see this black keyboard. Those keys, they're not quite mechanical. I mean, they're not the same as these keys where you have much more travel. And yeah, actually, that's actually it. I just wanted to unbox this thing in front of you guys. I wanted to show you all the things that comes in the box. And my first impression about this thing. Right away, if I just look to the chassis, it's a beautiful MacBook. I just have to give them that. Apple knows how to design their products and they just nail it every time. I'll make an in-depth video about this very MacBook Pro today or tomorrow even. And we'll talk about everything inside this MacBook Pro. So yeah, that's actually it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. It was a very short video, me unboxing this thing. Support this channel by liking this video. I do appreciate your kind words. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.